My name's Aaron Klewchuk and I'm the Managing Director of several printing companies based here in Northern Ireland. We provide a wide range of products across multiple different industry sectors. We employ just over 30 staff and we operate out of 2 production facilities located in Ballymena and Belfast. First, there's Ballyprint. They're an award-winning print company which specialises in print-on-demand services. They offer both digital small format and large format printing. Next, we have Perfect A Print, which focuses on high-end stationery for the wedding market. They cater for both trade clients and end customers. Finally, we actually have Impro Printing. They're our sheet-fed litho business, and they primarily offer commercial print and packaging. I was looking for a partner to grow with, and not just a supplier to acquire machinery from. I felt like Fujifilm have been investing in technologies while other suppliers weren't. Soon after talking to Fujifilm regarding their technologies, it was clear that the roadmap aligned with ours and what we were trying to achieve. When we first installed the Acuity Prime, I was blown away by the speed and quality. We've seen an increase of 60% in our output, and our ink consumption has been significantly reduced compared to our previous machine. I live on a breathe print. With the Revoria PC1120, we're pushing the boundaries on what's achievable. It's amazing what we can do with this machine. Gold, silver, toner to create metallic colours. The white on creative papers, there's nothing else like it. Clear toner for varnish style embellishments. Fluorescent pink to be able to widen our colour gamut. We print on a wide range of synthetic materials. Previously, we've always had difficulty, not just printing on these, but with our offline finishing due to the static build-up in the material. The static eliminator on the Revoria PC1120, it's been a game changer for us. We've had very little issues on these materials now, especially with duplex printing and the finishing department. It's great to see the materials running seamlessly with no complaints from our operators. With the Fujifilm Revoria and the Acuity Prime, it's definitely given us that edge over our competition. At Impro Printing, we've also installed the Revoria EC1100, giving us the ability to produce low volume, fast turnaround work with no compromise on quality. Fujifilm also plays a massive part in our sheet-fed litho business with the Superior ZX processes plate. For me, the plate's the best on the market, and our operators love it. Time's everything in our industry. There's always a deadline, there's always a cost. It needs to be really high quality. Partnering with Fujifilm felt like it was a right fit for us, especially with their constant drive for innovation.